Okay, so we now partially assembled the back. I haven't fully tightened it up yet. Remember, it goes into the slot here. Put it in the slot. Then you hand tighten it first, and then you get then there's also two other bolts in here in the bottom that you will also need to assemble. So make sure those are right here. There's about 2 inches from that edge, about 2 inch distance there to that hole. And you will use the short bolt to assemble that part. Remember, the medium bolt goes here. Make sure you use the spring washer and the flat washer. Flat washer goes in that way, and then first you go with the spring washer towards the bolt, and then flat washer there, and then you use that same process with the short bolt. So you have to do the short bolt and it'll be fully assembled. But make sure you do not tighten everything as you are completely finished.